Level 4, determine the line of best fit. Number 4, 10 25-year-olds were surveyed to find out their years of formal education, which is first grade through college, and their annual income. This information is presented in the table below. So we have the years of education here, which is talking about our X value, and the income, which is dependent on the years of education. That's our Y value. So we're going to go and find the line of best fit. And to do this, we're going to take a look at our calculator. For these level 4 problems, we're going to be using a different component of the calculator that we haven't used yet. So the first thing we're going to do is press the stat button. And then we're going to press enter to edit. And we see these lists. List 1, list 2, we may have more. What we're going to do is we need to go and clear those out. If you don't have list 1, list 2, list 3 on the top, what you're going to do is you're going to press stat, go down to setup editor, and press enter twice. Then if you go back to stat and edit, you should have these 3 lists. Now we want to clear out everything in those lists. So in order to do that, we're going to scroll up to the top and highlight list 1. We're going to press clear and then enter, and it'll clear it out. And then we're going to do the same thing for list 2, clear and enter. And you should make sure that all of your lists are empty. So now we are going to go and type in our lists. We're going to use the top row of this problem as list 1 and the bottom row of this problem as list 2. So we have 8, 10, 12, I'm pressing enter in between all of these, just FYI. 12, 13, 14, 16, 16, 18, and 19. Then I'm going to go over to list 2 and enter all of my values here. 18, 19, 24, 25.5, 26.6, 28, oops, 30. And see I messed up, I can just go back up and then retype it 30, there we go, 33, 40, and 45. Now the quick check to make sure we didn't miss a number is to double check that we have the same number of X values as Y values. Now, to go and calculate a linear regression and find the equation, we're going to press stat, go over to calculate, and we're going to look at linear regression. So we're going to scroll down to number 4, press enter, go all the way down, make sure yours says list 1, list 2, and then we're going to go and calculate by pressing enter. And so now our equation, we can round to the nearest thousand, we get y equals 2.365x minus 3.729. Then we are going to use that equation for part B. And so we have our equation y equals 2.365x minus 3.729. And what we're going to do is plug in for x 15 years. And so what we get is 31.746, and that's going to be 31,000 approximately dollars. And that makes sense because it fits into our chart between the 14 and the 16, the two 16 values, which is 28 to $33,000. We're talking about right in the middle, which makes total sense.